Okay, so imagine never having to type your PIN or scan your face every time you pick up your phone while still keeping it completely secure. So today, I'm going to show you smart lock and trusted places. How your phone can magically unlock for you in safe zones like your home or car and instantly lock when you step away. Even if you don't have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, stick around. This works on many Androids, and I'll even share what iPhone users can do to get a similar effect. Okay, so for Android phones, most Android like Samsung, you have to go first to settings, right? And then you go to security and privacy right here, security and privacy, and you look, and then more security settings, and then you can see this trust agents. Enable them. Just enable this extend unlock especially, enable it. And now then you have to go back to settings again, settings, and this time lock screen and AOD. Okay, so now you have extend unlock. All right, it will prompt you to enter your pin or password, right? Pattern, whichever one. Okay, so okay, so extend the lock can recognize when you're holding this device. It will recognize when you're near home or another trusted place, and so on. So let's go, Gary. So now you have to add a trusted place. Add the location like home or work where your phone stays unlocked, right? Trusted place, right? So you tap on this, and now you have to you tap here to set up a place. You will ask for a pattern again, right? So now you can add a trusted place. Let me see if I add fictitious any address. Nothing. No, let me see. Just start typing this, and then this comes up. Assuming this is a trusted place that I want to add, so I can add it. All right. So that's it. Okay, now you can add a trusted device. We go back to extend unlock again, and this time we add in a trusted device. Same way, you do follow the steps and you add a trusted device. There is this other one on body detection, but I will not recommend that you do this, because on body detection stays unlock while it's with you and locks when set down. But there is something, right? Keep in mind, on body detection can't distinguish between you and someone else. So if someone takes your device while it's been unlocked, they might be able to access it. So I will not encourage anyone to set that up. Okay. All right, so that's how that works on Android phones. Now if you have iPhone don't have smart lock, but you can mimic that with shortcuts automation. So you open shortcuts app, and then you go to the automation lab, and you create a new automation for arriving at location, right? Then you add an action to disable auto lock when arriving and enable auto lock when leaving, and then you save and test it. Okay, so that's it for today.